Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here the 2023 Honda Africa Twin. And I'm going to be installing the center stand, so let's get to it. Here's everything that comes in the kit. If you'd like your paper instructions, scan the QR code or go to the website. I'm going to hook this hole here on the nut on the opposite side of this bolt. And then I'm going to line this peg here up with this hole and slide it into place. Now that the center stand is in place, I'm going to slide on the washer and then the circlip. Here you can see how the stand mounts on the opposite side of the bike. It just slides over top of that nut right there, and there's a peg that it fits onto. Our spring bracket here is going to hook on this little peg right here. We're just going to slide it in and hook it like so. The next thing I'm going to do is attach the springs to the bracket and then to the center stand on the hook right there. It is recommended you use another person to hold the bike while you pull the springs into place. This could be kind of fun. Well, I got lucky with the first one. Let's try the second one. Before we call it done, we're going to slap in our rubber stoppers. We're going to put the round one on the right side and the rectangular one on the left side. And there we go. Once the stoppers are on, this install is all done. Check the description below for parts and tools. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my center stand install on the Honda Africa Twin 1100. Ride safe.